Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video with us. We are on the Sightseer tram car today. They have been in operation since 1949. They typically start service in May and continue through the entire summer season. They start at 11 a.m. and typically continue service until the amusement piers are closed for the day. At the time of posting this video, tickets were about $5 each way. However, there are discount tickets available at the tramcar office and other retailers along the boardwalk. You can get on to ride the tramcar no matter where you are on the actual boardwalk. Just wave them down, they'll stop for you, and you can get on. And that's how you can get off too. If you don't go to one of the ends, you just put your arm up and they'll stop and let you off. The ride itself one way is about 30 minutes. This is a great way to see the entire 2-mile boardwalk without all the walking. Okay, so now we want to hear from you. We definitely want to know any thoughts you have or any questions you might have about this video, and we look forward to reading them all. So tell us. And don't forget to subscribe below and hit that little bell. Be sure to check out our website at www.familyreststops.com.